Get ready now. Stand on your hands and feet while facing the ceiling, and move your hips up until your hips get in line with your body, and lower again. Repeat. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Lie face down. Get down on your hands and toes. Straighten your legs and arms. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Hold a weight in each hand. Wait while standing. For both sides. Extend your arms holding a dumbbell in one hand. Hold your elbow of the arm that holds the dumbbell with your other hand. Then slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head. Then lift it back. 80 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Find a weight to hold in your hand.
Lie on your back, bend your knees, extend your arms in front holding a dumbbell, then extend the dumbbell back and over your head.
40 seconds. It's almost done. Extend your left arm, then bend at the elbow to bring the left palm toward the center of your back. Gently push your elbow with your right hand. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright. Extend your right arm, then bend at the elbow to bring the right palm toward the center of your back. Gently push your elbow with your left hand. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand in front of a chair. Stand a big step away in front of the chair. As you bend your knees, lower your hips. Keep your arms straight and grip the front edges of a chair. Lower your body until your arms form 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up. 40 seconds. It's almost done.